Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can simply add announcement for your chat or for your Teams in Microsoft Teams. So what you want to do is when you're going to click here on start new conversation, you want to click here on this A letter and you're going to see new conversation and click on announcement. And you want to type a headline and write here, hey there. Hope you are doing well. Are you ready for the meaning of the universe? And send the announcement. And if you're ready for the meaning of the universe, the meaning of the universe is just to be alive. Nothing else, nothing more. No hurry. When you get a flower and you water your flower, you don't expect it to be like, grow fast or grow slow. You just let it be. When you watch the clouds and when you see the clouds, you never say, oh my God, why the cloud is looking like that? Why it's not different? No. You just let it be. And if you try to see yourself that way, if you really try to see yourself as the perfect as you are, nothing else, nothing more, just that. That's all. You will find what you need to find in that peace and in that quietness. Because the best way how we can improve yourself is not to try to improve and just decide. Let's say that you want to lose weight. What you want to say is just, I'm losing weight. And when you're losing weight, you'll be always present. And when you're present, you won't buy things which hurts you, like sugar and Coca-Cola and stuff like that. So that's kind of it. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.